Dynamic Mail Sender is a fast and effective way to create, send, and track messages to your potential clients. The first thing you need to do is set up your email delivery settings. Helo value is set automatically according to your IP address. The important thing is to specify the number of attempts to send and set the speed limit. You can send emails directly, but in order for your messages not to get marked as spam, using an external SMTP server is highly recommended. For example, you can use a free Gmail SMTP server. You can use multiple SMTP servers and alternate sending your mailings between them. We recommend leaving other settings at their default values. Let's proceed to email creation. You can send text messages and use our templates to create a unique design. You can change the template in the editor or with the help of HTML code. Specify the subject of your email, the sender's address, and your signature. Save the message after you make changes. You can preview your email or send it to your address for checking. To load the contact list, press the Recipients button. You can import mailing lists from the clipboard or from .text, .csv, Excel, Word, Access, and other file formats. To send the campaign, press the Send button. You can also track the results of your campaign. Send the campaign and monitor the delivery of your emails. After a while, you'll be able to utilize the statistics and improve the effectiveness of your campaign.